Do you see my hair? This is my hair. I'm using Garnier Fructis. Is this sleek? Oh, I feel like Whitney Houston and I Want to Dance with Somebody. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Summer if you're new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watching. And today, do you see my hair? This is my hair. For those of you that wanted to know, this is my hair. Right? Like, because it could be my hair, because it looks like my hair. It is not my hair. This is a wig from Luvmehair. So thank you so much to Luvmehair for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love this wig. We are going to get all into how I actually style this hair, what you can use, like what products you can use for it. And I only use 2 products to achieve this hair. So literally water and conditioner, and water and conditioner in like this, like a spray bottle, continuous spray bottle. And then I have the leave-in conditioning cream, and that's literally it. I love this hairstyle. They give you so many different goodies, and I'll show you all the goodies that they give you. And it's just convenient. Again, I'm moving into I don't feel like wearing wigs phase. I just kind of feel like wearing like either my natural hair, a sew-in, micro tips, tape-ins. I don't know what I want to do, but I do know that I'm going to be wearing this wig for at least the next week. Like that's what I do know. One thing I do know, one thing for sure and 2 things for certain, I'm wearing this wig this week. And I might wear it in this high puff because it's that cute. But yeah, okay, that's it, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all hop into the video so you can see how I achieved this look. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't recording. Well, I was recording, but I wasn't filming with sound. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Summer if you're new here. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watching. And today we have another sponsored video. So shout out to Luvmehair. Thank you so much, Luvmehair, for sponsoring this video. And we have on a very simple, easy grab and go wig. And I'm excited about that because I told you guys already that lately I've been not really wearing my wigs. Like I've been wearing wigs, but they're headband wigs versus my regular wigs that I would normally wear. Just because, again, I'm moving away from wigs for a minute, like lace front, I don't know. Just in the box, you're gonna get a few items. This is the hair, love it. They always give you gifts. So we're gonna see what the gifts are. This is so cute. They give you like this little package. And I'll show you the gifts. Ooh. And I have like a bunch of headbands. I'm so excited. So they give you a wig cap. And then they give you like hair care instructions, which is good just in case you don't know how to take care of it. For the purposes of this video, I already laid down my edges with everything, and I'm gonna show you what the hair actually looks like. But before we get into the hair, let's get into the gifts. So they give you this little package, like this little satin case. It's so cute. And inside of here, let's see. Okay. Oops. So they gave me like a head wrap, which is good. It helps to lay down your edges. This definitely comes in handy, and it's purple and gold. Very cute. They give you, oh, I like this. They give you like a satin headband as well. I have one of these, like a leopard print one, but this is pretty because it's like pink. Very nice. Love it. And, oh, they gave me another headband. So I got another headband. It's like still satin. This feels good too, and it's red. So very pretty. They gave me bobby pins. So just in case this is, no, I thought those would be little mix, but yeah, bobby pins. So this is, I'm not even sure what this is. It looks like Velcro. So they gave me this headband. This is like a thicker headband with like the pearls. That's pretty. Then a black and white one. Very cute. Then this yellow, blue, green, and gold one. It's like almost like tropical. A white one, which is going to come in handy for sure. And then they gave me this silver one with gold stars, which I actually think is pretty. So I have a ton of headbands. I'm going to try pretty much all of them on for you. And the hair, which I don't have actually, so I'm actually happy about this, is curly. because my hair texture is curly. So we're really going for like a fully natural look right now. And if I take this off, the curls are like this. So this is almost like, it reminds me of like Jerrycurl. I'll put the actual exact measurements or everything that I actually have for the wig on the screen, just so you guys can see it. But I love this. So when I say throw on and go, oh, I know what this is. This is replacements for, that's actually really smart, because sometimes your headband wigs, if you wear them over time, the Velcro, it's not as sticky, so it like loses its tackiness, but they gave you new ones so you could put them on. That's such a good idea. That was good. All right, so to open it, why is this? Oh my God, well, the Velcro on this one is, it's working, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God, why is this so hard? Well, you know it's gonna be sticking. Okay, I got it. All right, here we go. So I'm gonna put this on first, and then I'm gonna style it with you. So just throw this on. Oh, okay. I mean, it's not even on, but guys, look. I didn't even put this on yet. Wow, okay. This is pretty. It's definitely like my hair texture and everything. Oh my God. This is really nice. Okay, so they have combs on the side, so let's just put those in. I put the comb in the back. I just tack this one side. I actually don't even want to touch this. I don't even want to style this because it looks so good. Wow. And the hair is like really, really, really soft. Okay, so to style it, let's just get into styling. I'm going to use this water bottle. It has conditioner in it, and I just have like whatever conditioner you want to use. I'm using Garnier Fructis. Is this leaking? Why are you leaking, honey? What happened to you? And I'm going to use my Cantu leave-in conditioner. Can you see? The lights are bright always. And then I'm going to just use like a Denman brush, and then I have a paddle brush. So those are all the brushes and the tools that I'm going to use. And let's get into styling. So I'm going to just wet it. I really don't even think I need to do this, y'all. Honest to God, I don't need to do this, but because it's already styled. You don't need to do anything. You guys see that? Like, and with the styling cream. Oh, I can use mousse too. I don't think I have this texture at all. In all my collection, I don't have this texture. This texture is legit like your hair. Like, I know I don't have this texture, because this is literally like my hair. Start at the bottom. See how the curls are like getting defined? And if you want to, you see how those, it's literally like my hair. That's how I know. And then you take this, like the styling cream, put it on your ends so they're not like dry. And you can move up. And then you just comb through again. And now your curls are just gonna like pop into place. So I'm gonna do this real quick. Okay, so this side is styled, this side is not. I'm gonna put some mousse on it too, just in case. And then I'm gonna do this side real quick. I love this hair already though. Like, it's just, it's perfect for a perfect color for spring and the summer. And I'm going to the gym now, and I feel like it's like perfect style for the gym too, because it's like my natural hair. So even if I sweat, it's not gonna do anything. It's awesome. All right, so get it right in there. Okay. Not mousse, the curling cream. You could do it in sections, it would be easier. So just do it in sections. Let it. Mousse. Not mousse. I keep saying mousse, it's styling cream. You'll start to see it clump. See? I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm going the wrong way. Like perfectly clump curls. And go up. And the brush is just gliding through. You guys see? Gliding right through. I'm not fighting the brush to get the curls to clump. And then it'll, look. You see that? It's so great. I love it here. I love it here. And my hair is styled and it's like bouncy and curly. Well, this side is definitely more fluff than this side, so I gotta go back. All right, y'all. This is literally done. Like, styled, curled. It's fluffy. It's so soft, like super soft. I could flip it if I wanted to on either side. Like, you could wear it like that. This looks so good. Ah, I love it. Okay, so I'm just gonna wear it like this for now, and then I'm gonna put on some headbands and let's see what they look like. Okay, so let's do that. We'll start off with this satiny headband. It has like the pearls on it. Guys, it looks so cute. I love this one. That's the first one. Let's take this one off and switch. Oh, is this cute? Cute. I like this one too. Am I giving you Scary Spice vibes from Spice Girls?
Yo, tell you what I want, what I really, really want.
I always loved her hair too. This one is cute. I didn't know if I would like this headband, but I actually do. This one, cute. And I love me a white headband. You guys, if you have seen me lately, I've been into my white headbands for sure. So, last one. Oh, I feel like Whitney Houston and I Want to Dance with Somebody.
I wanna feel the heat with somebody.
So I don't know why those vibes are given, but that's what's given me in this one. I love this one. The more you play with this, the bigger it's going to get too. So, like, the fluffier. It's just such a good texture. It's so soft, y'all. And the color. The last one, and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts. This one gives me like bedtime vibes, like it's time to go to sleep. So yeah, it's time to go to sleep. So you just throw on this little headband and then you go to sleep. It's cute. So I tried on red, white. This is how many headbands they give you in this. And I'm going to come back with my finalized thoughts. Give me 1 second. Final thoughts. So this hair is everything. I absolutely love it. It is, I don't know how many inches it is, but it is very pretty. It's very pretty. That's what the back looks like. The color, like I said, is perfect for spring or summer. Like, you could wear this right now. You could wear it on vacation. It's a headband wig, so it's convenient. You could take it off. You could put it up, like if I wanted to put it in like a ponytail. Y'all, like, stop. It's so cute. Well, first of all, you can't tell me that this is not my puff. If somebody asked me right now, is this your hair? I would say yes. And you know what it is, because it's on my head, right? Like, is this your hair? I just put my hair in a high puff. This is so cute. Finalized thoughts. This hair, I just can't. I mean, it looks like my natural hair. It's very pretty. You guys saw me put it up in a high bun. They gave you bobby pins too, so you can like just bobby pin it. But this looks so cute, and I can't take it. So, finalized thoughts in this hair. It's, go get it. That's it. That's the final thoughts. The final thoughts are go and get it. Like, this is cute. I don't know what to tell y'all. Go get the hair. Go get it, y'all. It's perfect. It literally looks like my hair. That's what I think I can't get over. I can't get over the fact that this looks like my hair. But okay, I'm done. Finalized thoughts. Go get it.